Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Honestly, I love editing. He was like, hey, let's run the instructions through this AI program. So we had run the instructions through the AI program, and it was amazing. Some of the things were a little bit iffy, but other than that, it pretty much got it. This AI is ChatGPT. For somebody who has ADHD, this program has definitely helped me out a lot. Everyday life, it has helped me out. And now I know that some people are out there and they're like, okay, but this is gonna start taking away jobs. It's really not. It's AI, and you need tech people, and you need people behind those tech people to help you out create this AI. It can become something bigger, something better than what it already is. I don't think jobs are going to be decreasing any more than they already are. Somebody else off of Twitter had mentioned that, with the AIs coming into play, that social interactions between other people are gonna differ. I mean, let me just say, you already have teachers who literally just sit on their ass and hand a student a paper or hand the classroom a paper and say, get this done by the end of class. Talk to you, they don't help you out, they don't do anything. With this, I have an issue, I can go ahead and put in description of what the classwork is. It can go ahead and shorten out my instructions that I've gotten so it's easier for me to follow. You can go ahead and suggest a couple of tips on how I can get something finished. And I definitely think that is an A1 in my book. With the social interactions, let me go ahead and say this. Social interactions are a big thing in life. Like, what I'm doing right now is I'm interacting with you guys. Through the internet, I'm interacting with you guys. And when you guys comment, when you guys like, when you guys share, all that stuff is interactions. All that stuff is social interactions. So I don't really think social interactions, are going to die out. I don't think that having an AI, having this kind of technology that is moving our future further. It's because social interactions happen on a daily basis. Whether you're online or whether you're in person, it's still going to happen. I don't see happening. I don't think it's going to limit social interactions. So let me show you how awesome this program is. I've probably brought in about 100 to 200 Instagram followers since I've started using some of the captions that I've inserted into this AI program. All right, so this is the opening page when you get to, well, when you search in ChatGPT on Google. Click on the Try ChatGPT down at the corner, and then you're going to get a page that looks like this and says, welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account or sign up. When you sign up, you're going to get basically this. It's going to be like create your own account, email address, verify that you're not a robot, even though this is an AI. I just find that funny all the time. And if it, then, like I said, you have your Google. You can continue with Google or continue with your Microsoft account, either one. And we're gonna go ahead and log in because I already have an account. They also have an OpenAI Discord, so if anybody has a Discord, you are free to join that AI Discord and talk and mingle with other people who are using this. And it basically tells you what it does and what it can't do, like the limitations, and it's doing what it's doing. It's awesome. It's just so awesome. We entered in the prompt, right? We entered in the prompt, write me a short description that's friendly about ChatGPT and how it helps people with ADHD. So this is what it came up with. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can engage in conversation with users. It can help people with ADHD by providing a supportive and engaging conversation partner, which I'd like to say that is spot on. Sometimes I overshare, sometimes I undershare. But with this, the exact amount of information that I need, not have to worry about, telling somebody to hold on, hold on. I definitely think those last three, which is feel heard, supported, and understood, are kind of right there on the moneymaker line, because it definitely does help me out, and it helps me generate my thoughts, like all of my thoughts that are going through my head, and put them out on a piece of paper and just get the main thing that I'm trying to get out of it. If you're in a small business and let's say you're trying to come up with some kind of marketing, like you want to save some money and you want to do your marketing yourself, you could go ahead and insert in a prompt here. Write me an interesting description that makes our burrito stand out from other taco shops. I'm liking what I've seen so far. It said, at our taco shop, we pride ourselves on serving the most delicious and unique burritos around. Our burritos are made with only the freshest ingredients and are bursting with flavor in every bite. That already gets me to want to go there. But what really sets out our burritos, apart from other taco shops, is our one-of-a-kind blend of seasonings and spices. We spent years perfecting our special seasoning blend, and it really makes our burritos stand out from the rest. In addition to the amazing taste, our burritos are also filled to the brim with a variety of tasty fillings and all your favorite toppings. Whether you're in the mood for a classic burrito or something a little more adventurous, we've got you covered. Like, this is what an AI came up with just that short prompt that we gave it. You know, that is just amazing. Like, even like a little description of Instagram. If you want to edit this, like to make it sound like more of your own words, you can just copy and paste this and put it into like a Microsoft Word or onto Google Docs. So let's do like a baking company. Let's do friendly short description of a baking company with mom and daughter who started in 2019, or let's do 2019, who started in 2019, who started in 2019 before the pandemic. I wonder who started in 2019 before the pandemic and are now selling delicious shaped COVID cookies. Okay, so this is what it came up with. Our baking company is a small family-owned business that was started by a mother and daughter duo in 2019, just before the pandemic hit. We were a small local bakery known for our delicious cookies and baked goods. When the pandemic hit and people were stuck at home, we saw an opportunity to bring some joy and comfort to people's lives through our baking. We started selling our famous shaped COVID cookies. I put in basically what I'm thinking is, what is the difference between Android and Apple? And here it is. And then the second question that we asked was, write an essay on Android versus Apple with 3 comparisons, and that's exactly what we got. We got a little start to an essay with 3 comparisons that we can talk about in our body paragraphs, and then we got a conclusion, like right there. This is one of the things that like kind of baffles my mind a bit, is because it doesn't allow anything with like adult themes, but it went ahead and it used the hashtag food porn. So it's like, it's kind of like the AI is a little bit of a hypocrite if you think about it. We came up with inviting description of an apple pie with relevant hashtags. This is what it came up with. Come and get a slice of the most delicious apple pie you'll ever taste. Our apple pie is made with only the freshest, juiciest apples and a perfect blend of warm spices. The flaky, buttery crust adds the perfect touch of crunch to every bite. We guarantee you won't be able to resist going back for seconds or thirds. Hashtag apple pie, hashtag homemade, hashtag delicious, baking, desserts, foodie, food porn, yum, tasty, and nom nom, sweet treats, insta food. It's just so easy. It's spot on. It's not complicated. There isn't 500 steps to it. There's not, oh, click on this and then click on that and then click this and then click that and then click this and that and then this in order to do this. Um, it's down to the point. It's short, sweet, simple, and it is definitely going to save you time. It's going to save your company time. It's a nice thing. And if you are not using it, you definitely should be, because, oh boy, you are missing out.